Welcome. In this video we're going to be changing the engine air filter in this 2021 Mazda CX-5. So the first thing we want to do is open the hood. So we're in the driver's wheel well. We'll pull this lever here. That will unlatch the hood. Then we have a secondary latch here. I'll open this up and I'll show you where it's at. So it's right here, and there's a hood prop. So in that little crack, you'll reach your hand over and unlatch this. You'll take the hood prop here and place it in the hood here to hold the hood up. The engine air filter is here. Now if you have a lot of debris here, you might want to blow it out with a leaf blower or something. You don't want to get anything in there, but there's two clips down here. It's here and here. So we're going to pop those open. Now this should lift up. And if we look on the back here, we see these tabs. There's three of these, and they go in here. So there's three. So when we put it back together, we want to make sure those slip under there before we latch the front. So let's get the new filter. So I'm going to be installing this EP Auto GPA0A filter. And if you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So I'll pull that back up. I'm going to pull the old filter out. You want to put the replacement filter in the same orientation. Now if there's any leaves or anything in there, you want to vacuum those out, but this looks very clean. So this is what it looks like. The gasket is recessed all the way around and it's even. So now I can fit the cover back in place. Now there is a wire here that kind of fell under the clips, so I'll pull that out of the way. And I want to get this clip in place. It's right around the middle of my screen, maybe a little lower. I'm going to need both hands to do this. So it's not easy to see here, but I have all those tabs in place. Now the clip did get caught under here, so I need to lift this up and pull that out. Now this side needs to slip down, so I'm going to take the whole thing and I'm going to make sure not to pull out those tabs. I'm just going to shake it until it seats into place. And these should go on by pulling up on these tabs and clipping them. There we go. And now it's all good. So everything should fit securely and nothing should be forced. So that's changing the engine air filter on this 2021 Mazda CX-5. I think a person with average dexterity can easily change a filter like this. The main thing to look out for is that this wire's out of the way when you put those tabs in place and that you have it seated properly when you clip this on the front. After that, it's good to go. So you probably want to go into your maintenance log and log that you did this at the mileage and the date. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.